Renewing your PNC card online is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have a computer or mobile device with internet access and your PNC online banking credentials readily available. First, navigate to the PNC website and click on the Login button to access your online banking account. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you have not yet enrolled in online banking, you can do so by clicking on the Enroll button and following the prompts to set up your account. Once you are logged into your account, click on the Customer Service tab and select the Card Services option from the drop-down menu. From here, you will be able to view all of your PNC cards, including your current card and any additional cards you may have. To renew your PNC card, click on the card you wish to renew and select the Renew Card option. You will then be prompted to confirm your identity and verify your card information. This may include providing your name, address, and card expiration date. After verifying your information, you will be able to request a replacement card. You can choose to have your new card mailed to your address on file, or you can opt to pick it up at a local PNC branch. If you need your new card quickly, you can also request expedited shipping for an additional fee. Finally, review and confirm your renewal request to ensure all information is accurate. You will receive an email confirmation once your request has been processed, and your new card will be mailed to you within a few business days. It is also important to note that if your card has been lost or stolen, you should report it to PNC immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can do this by calling the customer service number on the back of your card or by logging into your online banking account and selecting the Report Lost or Stolen Card option. By following these simple steps, you can easily renew your PNC card online and have a new card mailed to you quickly and securely. Remember to always keep your online banking credentials and card information confidential to protect your account from unauthorized access.